Well, here at Barefoot Marina in North Myrtle Beach, and there are some beautiful boats here. This is a Meridian 408, getting some work done on her. Sea Ray here, and some really big boats that are along here, and just beautiful. Big yachts along here. And this one, Island Hopper, I just love reading the names on them. And a Merc here with 3 outboards on it. Michigan, from Portage, Michigan. Nice. Not online. Looks like somebody has retired. Real hooker, obviously. A fisherman. Sport fish here. Nicely outfooted. Black Pearl. Silverton. And a Carver up here. What a great paint job that is. Isn't that beautiful? Really great condition. Some of these I don't know the brands, but neat to look at. There's a Hatteras there. Never Look Back. Another Carver. There's going to be Carver country in here. More to See from Texas. Another Carver. I also like to take a look at how people have mounted their dinghies, and there's a lot of creative ways to do this, and that is one that I've not seen before, but it looks relatively easy, and the dinghy is well off out of the water, so that should work just fine. If you're going to have a dinghy on the boat, it's really nice to be able to get into it easily. 50-foot navigator. Change of plans. Charlotte, North Carolina, coastin'. Nice boat. Really nice boats in here. Days off. I like that. No Agenda. Great name. OCD. Oh, get it. Play on words. OCD. Beautiful Sea Ray. Here's one for sale of Carver called Love It. This will be a Voyager series. Tacites, whatever that means. This looks like an older Carver here, I think. Certainly looks like the Carver striping in the windows. Let's go see it, take a peek here. Nope, Novatech. Novatech 55. Nice boat. Another Sea Ray here. And here is a very popular dinghy davit as well, the Hurley Marine. A lot of people have been employing those lately that I've seen. Blue Skies, another Carver, 450. And those Sea Rays. So lots of Carvers and Sea Rays in here. Miss Ellie for a Sea Ray. And another Hatteras. I'm looking at the Barefoot Queen right there. And there is an Azimuth 43 Magellano. We'll go take a look at that one a little bit closer as well. Barefoot Queen goes out from here about down to Grand Dunes, so south to Grand Dunes, along the Intracoastal and then back up. It's about a 2-hour dinner cruise. They went out last night for the first time. And over across the way is Barefoot Landing Entertainment Complex. It's about a 4 or 5 mile ride. You get an Uber over there for about $7, but lots of things going on over there, including some more construction of restaurants. And you'll see the docks over there. Greg Norman's place is over there. Boats will come in there and probably be pretty full in the summertime, and that is Lulu's that you're looking at with the blue roof right here. Ivory Lady. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Well, still on A dock here and looking down here, we got some smaller boats along the way, and then these beautiful condos that are along here. Behind that, there's a lot of little single what I call bungalows out there, the very small houses that are out there, and they're all single houses. They aren't attached to each other, so it's not like you have a wall sharing a neighbor, but I'm sure it's very, very nice here in the summertime. You can see all the boats stacked along here. And then of course there is a marina bar and grill up there as well. It's a great place to hang out.